Let's check out this specialty Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2007 Shelby GT. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles at just 6,047 on it right now. This car is actually number 1208 in the sequential Shelby number. Let's take a look at this billet grill up front. Of course, the hood pins. Now, as you can see, driving lights down below. And if you also noticed on the side shot of the driver's side, we do have a Cervini side exhaust package on this car, and it also has a Cervini stainless exhaust wing. So some cool looking upgrades to this car. 4.6 liter underneath the hood, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on the correct 5-spoke GT wheels. And I also want to let you know these BF Goodriches on here are the original tires that would have come on this car. Yes, we understand with the age of them as far as driving a long distance, but while we do that is the next owner of this car may want to keep it that way for collector purposes, or maybe they want to put on their own brand choice of radial tires. So as we have left it like that. Of course, the Hurst shifter, 5-speed manual transmission paired up with that 4.6 liter V8. You're going to have your Ford racing components that Shelby would have installed down in Vegas. So you have your sway bars underneath, your strut tower brace. You're also going to have a little bump in horsepower with a tune. This one does have the quarter window treatments on the rear also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So yeah, also have the ground effect on the lower part of this, which is Cervini, and then of course that rear wing. Makes for a good looking car. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Definitely look at the underside of this car. Extremely clean engine bay, interior. You can see the black shows well, and again, clean Carfax. Not noticed any paint work in this. You might have a small little touch-up spot here or there as far as maybe a real light rock chip, but I have not noticed anything major on this car at all. Good one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Want to have some fun with this one? Jump in and take to the Sturgis Mustang Rally Labor Day weekend. A lot of fun out there. Of course, power windows, power locks, power seats. I should say power seat, driver's side here. And you can see the condition of the seat. What you'd expect with this low-mile car. It does have the Shaker 500 stereo system to it. Of course, cruise control. Controls on the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. And remember, stick around to the end of the video. I will do a driving video so you get an idea what it's like to drive down the road in this car. You can hear that exhaust. Good sounding car. No check engine lights, warning lights, anything like that. Let me close this door. So just a seat belt warning since I don't have that on. 6147.9. Dash looks good. Of course, the Shelby dash plaque. There'd be our number 1208. You can see it there. Stereo system working as it should. There's no surprises on the interior of this car. Nice little rumble at idle. Car's gotta sound good driving down the road under throttle. Alright, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let me pop the hood. I get these hood pins out, and we'll check out the engine bay. Here's a good look at the underside of the hood and the hood liner. Nice and clean. tell this car has not been driven in inclement weather, no doubt about that. Ford Racing cold air intake. Of course, the Ford Racing strut tower brace we talked about. Some of the install from Shelby out in Vegas. Of course, under hood tag again for the Shelby number 1208. Not noticing any modifications on this except for, of course, the cosmetic stuff and then that exhaust setup. And again, check that out in the still pictures. Nicely done. Quality job done on the install of the Cervini package. Looks and sounds as it should. 4.6 liter. And that little bump in horsepower with the tune from Shelby. Clean Carfax, low miles. Nice car. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Just click on that link down below the video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. And once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2007 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This is a 6-speed manual on the center console. Let's see how she does out on the road. Acceleration from this car, as you would expect. Almost forgot to put it in the 6th gear. Get used to those 5 speeds. That extra gear is awful handy. Our gauges are reading a quarter tank for fuel. The temperature is about a third of the way from cold to hot, and oil pressure is about 3/4 of the way up from low to high. Factory tachometer working well at 60 miles an hour. We're doing 1600 RPM. That's nice and low. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays perfectly straight in the lane. Factory bucket seats, very comfortable. Clutch feels good, easy to shift. Everything's right there in arm's reach. Factory radio. Working well. Air conditioning blowing ice cold right now. Great orange color on this. By the way, it is a convertible and we do have the top down. If you're looking for a convertible, 2007 Shelby GT500. This one is in excellent shape. According to the odometer, 2,400 miles. A low mile machine. Check it out at UniqueClassicCars.com.